model and dimensions were readily available online. And since it's kind of complicated and there's a lot of curves to the model, we decided that we would instead do a rib and spar method. So as you can see here, this was the original model, and then here is the rib and spar. So we ended up doing, I think, 12 ribs in total, and then 2 end pieces. For the construction, so we had, in order to fit it, we had to obviously scale it down, and then 1 to 46.5. Obviously, so it couldn't be too wide since the wind tunnel was 18 inches wide, and then also we didn't want it to be too long so it wouldn't hit the front or the back. And so it ended up being about 11 inches wide and then 29 inches long. Okay, so after all the CAD was done, we 3D printed the parts, and so we had our ribs and our 3D printed parts, and it's hard to see in the picture, but each of the parts were made hollow in order to help save on material, but also to be easily instrumented. So we could run the tubes for the pressure tabs. Okay, and then for construction, for most of it, we were in the IME lab actually. And we were able to have access to some wood, and which we used to make some spars, and also a mount to mount all the ribs to. And then during this time, we also drilled some holes into every other rib. So we had 6 static pressure tabs, so 1 for every single one. And you can see here, there is 1 every single-ish one. And then cutting spars. So each spar